ground.
For what?
For
what? Get on the ground. What?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? Tell me what?
Resisting DUI and
Get on your
battery.
face. No. Get on your face. No, I'm not getting on my face. Back up. Ma'am, I will get on the lower back.
Get on your stomach now.
432, private.
Get on your belly and get your hands.
Get on your stomach.
At approximately 6:41 p.m., an officer initiated a traffic stop at 400 South Brook Street, Texas. The vehicle, a white Ford, tagged Boyd Lincoln 3-282, was flagged for multiple traffic violations. Reported violations: 50+ mph in a 30 zone, lane straddling, and failure to signal. The officer also detected the odor of alcohol.
We'll be out with him. Clear.
Talk to me. I was going way over 50, over 50 and a 30.
Good evening. Hi. I stopped you for a couple of reasons, okay? So you were all over the road. At one point you were straddling the lanes and you switched lanes without signaling, and then whenever you made it over here to the 30-mile-per-hour zone, you were still going over 50 miles an hour, okay? Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
I don't believe that, but all right.
Where are you coming from?
Does it matter?
Yes.
36 on 30.
10-4. What do you just told me what you stopped me for, so I don't think it matters.
Okay. Okay, well, I smell alcohol coming from the car. How much did you have to drink?
The stop was legally sound. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, observed traffic violations, established reasonable suspicion. Alcohol odor combined with erratic driving creates probable cause for DWI Texas Penal Code Section 49.04.
Okay. You going to be truthful, or you going to step out of the car so we can run some tests? Or...
I'm not going to step out the car whatsoever, so...
Okay, well, right now I do believe you are under the influence, and I'd really like for you to step out of the car so I can just...
I understand what you would like.
Okay, asking you to step out of the car is a lawful order, okay? Right now, I need for you to step out of the car.
Okay. I'm going to open the door for him, so...
That's a female.
Yeah.
Step out of the car.
For what?
I believe you are intoxicated, and I need you to step out of the car so that I could assess you.
And close the door, please.
Ma'am,
thank you. Close
listen to me. No, you're getting out of the car now, or we're getting you out forcefully.
Okay,
Either-
well, you're going to get me out forcefully. Because I told you, don't touch me. Don't.
Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, officers may order any driver from a stopped vehicle. No additional justification required. The subject refused multiple exit commands, that is, non-compliance, With a lawful order authorizing physical removal, Graham v. Connor, 1989, sets the standard. Force must be objectively reasonable based on severity, threat level, and active resistance. All three Graham factors were met at the point of removal. DWI is a serious offense. Resistance was active. Subject was non-compliant. Critical issue. The subject alleged an officer grabbed her by the throat, repeated consistently, immediately after the incident. Neck restraints classify as high-level force. Most department policies restrict them to imminent life threat situations only. If substantiated, throat contact on a restrained, unarmed subject is disproportionate and constitutes potential excessive force. That opens civil liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, a federal civil rights claim against officers acting under color of law.
Get out the car! Don't yell me! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
On the ground.
For what? For what? Get on the ground! For what?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? Tell me what?
Resisting DUI and
Get
assault
on your
battery.
face!
Please.
No! Get on your face! No, I'm not getting on my face. Back up. Ma'am, I will get on the lower back.
Get on your stomach now.
Arm. Back.
432 for traffic.
Get on your belly and get your hands.
Get on your stomach.
Okay.
We're fine. We're trying to get one.
I don't give a fuck what y'all fighting for. Like, yeah, I always trying to get black people. I don't give a fuck.
I asked you to get out of the car.
No,
Give her
you
your hands
didn't.
now.
No, you didn't. No, you fucking didn't, bitch.
Cop 41, got custody, and then I'm on traffic at Coltrane and 15 Bishop.
Give him your arm. Stop fighting. You didn't even ask. You didn't even ask.
I told you many times.
Give me a fucking lawyer.
I told you many times.
Give me a fucking lawyer.
I told you many times.
No, you
Get out of the car.
didn't. No, you didn't.
And you assaulted my
No,
officer.
you didn't. No, I
You
did.
did.
No,
Yes,
I
you did.
didn't.
You punched me in the... We're not arguing. I told you to get out of the car.
Grabbed me.
Quiet.
We're kicking.
We told you to get out of the
I
car.
told you to get out. I said if you don't get out, I will have to get
I
you
did
out.
not hear that.
You didn't.
I
Okay.
know.
Reek of alcohol.
Whatever. I don't give a fuck. Whatever.
Clearly not.
Don't fucking grab me. Don't fucking grab me.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Are you done? Are you done?
Do you want to lose your job?
We're not losing our job. You're going to jail.
Because you're breaking my arm.
You hit me in the face. You grabbed my neck. You grabbed my shirt.
You're clawing my arms and you refuse
Ma'am.
to settle down.
You pulled me out the car.
Exactly.
Ma'am.
You refuse to get out of the
We told
car.
you to get out.
No, you didn't.
Multiple times. We are not going to argue. We are not going to sit here and wait.
You're hurting my arm.
Are you done?
Are you're done hurting
Are
my
you
arm?
done
Are you done
resisting?
hurting my arm?
Are you done
Are
resisting?
you done hurting my arm? Because you hurt my arm. Ow!
Yeah. I wish you would be there.
No, back. Can you just back up for a moment?
Check her.
Can you hit me?
Face the car. Hey, face the car. Widen your stance. I have to cut you for weapons. Do you have anything illegal that's going to hurt me?
No!
That's a simple yes.
Y'all
Or no.
always do this to black
Hey,
people, bro. I swear
get away
to
from the
God,
car.
I swear to God, I hate this shit, bro. I hate being black in this fucking
Hey,
Oklahoma
I am trying,
community.
ma'am. I'm trying to make sure you don't have any weapons. I want
I
to
don't.
Then listen to me, okay? Look, we just had a fight.
Bro,
hey,
you just hurt
let
my
me do-
arm, man.
You hurt me.
How am I supposed to feel?
Stop talking. You shut up. Be quiet.
I'm not gonna shut up.
Stop.
I'm not gonna shut
I'm
up.
trying to explain everything to you. You hit me in the face. You grabbed my neck. I am trying to be nice. Make sure you don't have weapons on you.
I don't have any weapons on me. Back up. You grabbed me out the car unlawfully, but
Get out of the vehicle. You are required to get out of the vehicle.
sir,
Second flight, area damage roll 805, send our code for rescue. Clear.
can you be gentle?
the other side if you don't get in.
No. Can y'all?
Get in? We don't want to have to pull you. I'm giving you chances.
Officer, you gonna pull me?
That's right.
Are you kidding me? Oh, have yours on.
You mind doing the impound for me? I'm gonna take her to jail before she starts harassing my rider.
But no, you have me in a police car. I don't know what. I could be sex trafficked. I don't know what is going on.
You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail because of what?
DUI, assault and battery on a police officer, resisting.
I'm sorry, what?
Mm-hmm.
Your police officer grabbed me by the throat, sir. What do you mean?
Nobody grabbed you by the throat.
Excuse me, sir. She grabbed me by the throat. What was I supposed to do? You have me in handcuffs, sir. The only thing I can do is pull away from the officer. So, what do you mean? You didn't even try to fucking be nice. You just, the fucking lady officer grabbed me by the throat, and that was it. And that's all y'all got to say? That's all y'all got to say because that's all y'all give a fuck about. Y'all don't give a fuck about black people now. You just want to take black people down. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit.
Okay.
The fucking police officer grabbed me by the throat.
I have to read
y'all
this to you.
expect me to be calm about it? I'm a black female, and your police officer grabs me by the throat.
Yeah, you said that a lot now. Okay, I have to read this to you, okay? You have been arrested and you are requested to submit to a test or tests to determine the presence and concentration of intoxicants in your body. The stage test will be a blood test. If a blood test is performed, it will be done by approved medical personnel. Once you complete the state's test, you may have an additional blood test at your own expense, provided that a sufficient quantity of any specimen obtained shall be available to the state for testing. You are not entitled to consult with an attorney prior to making your decision whether or not to submit to the state's test. If you may refuse the state's test, but as a consequence, your driving privilege will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. If you are age 21 years or older and the test result is 0.08 or more alcohol concentration, your driving privilege will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. If you are under age 21 and the test result is 0.02 or more alcohol concentration, your driving privilege will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety.
Can I get
You may.
last part again? I didn't hear it.
If you are under age 21 years, if you are age 21 years old or older, and the test result is 0.08 or more alcohol concentration, your driving privilege will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. If you are under age 21 and the test result is 0.02 or more alcohol concentration, your driving privilege will be revoked or denied by the Department of Public Safety. You may apply to participate in the department's Impaired Driver Accountability Program. Will you take the state's test?
I ain't what you saying.
Do you want to take the test?
I'm not taking no test.
Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights under the Miranda decision. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you decide to make a statement, you may stop at any time. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
I do understand.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
No.
Texas Transportation Code Section 724.015 requires DIC-24 advisement before any chemical specimen request. Officers complied. On camera, the subject refused the test. Under Section 724.013, that is permitted. Consequence: mandatory license revocation, not criminal in itself. Birchfield versus North Dakota, 2016. No right to consult an attorney before deciding on the chemical test. The DIC-24 language reflects this. Miranda was administered post-arrest. Subject invoked clearly, no. Under Miranda versus Arizona, all questioning must stop at that point. The subject's pre-arrest demands for a lawyer do not apply to the DIC-24 process. These are legally distinct proceedings. The subject argued self-defense under Texas Penal Code Section 9.31, claiming she only resisted because an officer grabbed her throat. Texas law heavily restricts the right to resist arrest. Even unlawful force does not automatically justify physical resistance. Grade primary officer, C+. Stop and procedure lawful. Alleged throat contact is the unresolved issue. Grade subject, C+. Miranda invoked correctly. Exit refusal created the conditions for removal. Lessons learned. Complying with a lawful exit order is not waiving rights. It removes grounds for escalation and preserves legal options in court. Officers document all force contact immediately and accurately. Undocumented or disputed contact is the department's greatest liability. Subjects: invoke rights clearly and verbally, but through the legal system, not through physical resistance. Resistance adds charges, silence does not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.